Alright guys, so this is my girl's 1995 K1500. She's got a little bit of goodies. Alright, so let's start off with the front first. It's got the smoked headlights I got on Amazon. It's got this small little LED bar right here. And I mean, for the front, that's pretty much it. And on the side, we got the tow mirrors. You know the tow mirrors? I want to get the ones with the light right here, with the turn signal, and then the turn signal in the back, and then the reverse light. And then we also have a 4-inch lift, rough country lift. I'm gonna get down there, you know, show the little lift right there. And then we got 33-inch Discovery Coopers with 17-inch fuel wheels. And then we got the aftermarket headlights. I want to get the smoked ones, you know, but these are still pretty clean. But I still want to get the smoked ones just to match the front. And I also want to get the smoked cargo light up there. And for the exhaust, I'm not sure, I think they're knockout Flowmaster, but supposedly it's a Flowmaster. And then the exhaust right here, it's like loose because it broke from right here, so I need to weld that back up there. And then this right here, I had to hammer that in there because the little hole was shut tight. Now I can't take it off, so it became part of the truck. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like. Okay. Well, I can't forget, we got the 14-bolt rear axle with the locker, so I could do Bernie's all day. Power.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Watch, I got you,